Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are trying to remove the System Reserved Partition in your Windows 11 but don't know how to do it safely, this video is for you. I will show you step by step how to remove it properly without damaging your main Windows installation. The System Reserved Partition is a small section of your hard drive created automatically when you install Windows. It usually holds the boot file and BlockLocker encryption data. It's around 100 to 550 MB in size and doesn't have a drive letter. Do not delete this partition if Windows is using it to boot. It can make your system unbootable. Only follow this guide if you know it's not being used or you are working on a secondary drive. Before we begin, please back up any important data and you will be using disk management or disk partitioning tools. So any wrong step can result in data loss. Section 3. Step 1. Open disk management. Press Windows plus X. Select Disk Management. Wait for it to load. Find the System Reserved Partition. It will say System Reserved and is usually labeled as Healthy, System Active and Primary Partition. If it's on your main Windows drive, C. Do not delete it. If it's on another drive, do not make a system, you can proceed. Remove the partition. Right-click on the System Reserved Partition. Select Delete Volume. Click Yes when prompt. After deleting, you will see unallocated space. Now let's extend your PC C or D drive to use the space. Right-click on the drive and next to unallocated space. Select Extend Volume. Use the YZ to add the unallocated space. You are done. And that's it. You have successfully removed the System Reserved Partition and reclaimed the space. Just remember, only do this on drives that do not hold the boot system. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please leave a like, subscribe for more helpful Windows tips and fix. Drop your question or video ideas in the comment. I will see you in the next video.